Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at different kinds of rotations. So right now we are given a coordinate plane with two different graphs. So we have triangle RPT and triangle R prime P prime T prime. We're already given the coordinates of triangle RPT, and now we want to find the coordinates of the image because it has been rotated. We've turned it, and we're trying to identify the algebraic rule. So the first thing we need to do is find our coordinates of the image. So R prime sits at -3, -2. P prime sits at -4.5 and -1. And T sits at -2.5 and a +1. So to identify the algebraic rule, we want to start looking for patterns. And so if I simply look at point R, and I see that point R has -2, 3, and then it became R prime, which is -3, -2. I see that X and Y, so if this is my original point, they have flipped. So the Y has moved into the X spot, and the X has moved into the Y spot. I see -2 stayed the same, but the 3 changed signs. So we took the opposite of the Y value, and then X. So our algebraic rule was XY to -YX, and that is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. All right, so now we look at our next one. We have triangle ABC, and then we have triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So again, we're going to write our coordinates, and A prime is at -4, 3. B prime is at -2, 3, and C prime is at -1, -2. So again, I'm just going to choose one of the points, and I'm going to look at the pattern. So point A at 3, 4, then translated and became A prime at -4, 3. And again, our X and Y in the original point, the image, the pre-image, have switched places. They've switched places, but the 3 remained positive, but the 4 changed sign. So the original Y value becomes a -Y, comma, X. So again, our algebraic rule is XY becomes -YX, and this again is another example of a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. All right, and the last one. So now we have pre-image DEF and then image D prime, E prime, F prime. And so D prime is located at 3, 4. E prime is located at 7, 1. F prime is located at 4, 2. And again, I'm just going to look at one point, so I'm going to take a look at E this time. And point E started at 1, -7, and then was transformed or rotated to become E prime at 7, 1. And so again, we have X and Y, and I see that the digits of the value, they switched places, and that the Y, the original Y coordinate, changed the sign. So again, our algebraic rule is 1, -7 goes to 7, 1, or XY goes to -Y, comma, X. Guys, this is our third example. And again, this is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. is notice our image is starting here. We're rotating this way 90 degrees counterclockwise to get our new image. Had we done a 90-degree clockwise rotation, our rule would look a little different. And again, we would just be able to investigate it using the coordinates of the pre-image and the image. Okay, thank you.